Hello everyone! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng avocado graham cake. And again, this is not sponsored so MY San and Jersey, Becky naman po. So let's prepare the liquid mixture. I-combine na po natin yung cream and condensed milk. Already cut the avocados into small pieces. So the liquid mixture must not be sticky nor runny. Lagyan ko na po ng liquid mixture yung bottom part para to make sure na ma-soften yung graham biscuits. Yan, hilaran lang po natin yung mga biscuits. And just fill in the gaps kasi nagkaputol-putol na po yung mga biscuits. So, since my own version, nilalagyan ko na po siya ng avocado sa bottom part. And as well as the middle part and toppings. So, that's it. That's the first layer. And we'll just repeat the process for the second and third layer. And this is the third layer and final layer. So, ibubutin na po lahat ng natirang avocados on top. And let's cover it and put in the freezer or have it chilled for about 2 to 3 hours. Depends sa inyo. At ito na nga ang finished product. Let's have a taste. At syempre, dahil sa ako ang gumawa, masarap siya. Yummy!
So what's up guys? Hello. So nandito tayo sa vlog ni Mami. So nagtawa siya ng graham with avocado. So ayan, madami yan. Yung kada ang palaya pero avocado yan. So ayan, tignan natin. Ayan na, kita na ba? Tikman natin ha. Sarap, lalo pag may video. Thanks for watching!